guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have decided to cut my hair. I have my trusty assistant here, my hubby, and yeah, we're gonna use one of Paul Watts's tutorials to cut my hair. If you're wondering which one, well, you gotta watch. And if you're wondering about the glasses, yeah, I see better through my glasses than I do through my contact lenses, and girlfriend has to be able to see what she is going to do. So let's get started.
And what we're going to do is we're going to find the high point of the head. We're going to find that, and we're going to come back to just behind the ear, and we're just going to separate the hair out. I'm going to be doing this on dry hair. You can do this on dry or wet. I'm just going to be doing it on dry just to show you this simple technique because I want to create a lot of softness in the hair. So sectioning pattern is a parting of your choice. Through the top, I've gone slightly just off center just for a change. I've then gone from the high point down to behind the back of the ear, and then again on this side.
Okay guys, you saw I'm going with a version of his butterfly cut. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't do one of his ponytail layered cuts, but I am liking the length of my hair. I just want to trim my ends a little bit and give it a little bit more of a shape without having too much of layers. So I have done what he said. I have divided from the highest point of my head to right behind my ears, and we are now going to get started with, he says, a guide point. I'll let you see that. Let's get mine cut first. I got my trusty professional dog shears, grooming shears. Like I said, if they're good enough for the dogs and good enough for my husband, then they're good enough for me. So let's get those out. Oh my God, I don't believe I'm doing this. Okay.
What we're going to first do is we're going to find a guide. We're just going to pull a little piece from this middle parting. So we're going to pull this down, and I'm going to come down to the chin, and I'm just really going to soften off.
Okay, you guys, I've got my guide point. I'm probably going to cut it to right below my lower lip. That's the length I want to go for. So let's get this cut. Okay, that's cut. Let's go with sectioning off. As I'm cutting, I'm also going to be letting Paul's video run so you know what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Starting down the middle.
So there's our guide. I'm then going to do a middle section through the just either side of the parting. So not a middle section, but a section either side of the parting. I'm then going to find my guide, and then 45 degrees backwards. So my guide is just there, through there, and then we're just going to point cut that back nice and soft. And I'm just literally going to work down the head, bringing all of that hair elevated up to that central point. Check where my guide is, there. And I want this to be quite textured and really soft and free flowing. So I'm just point cutting. And again, to that middle section, through there, taking off through there.
Okay. Alright, let's work down this side. Now I'm going to work down the left side. I look at old woman. How are you guys? Okay.
If you're wanting to soften off layers or anything in salon, you can do this exact same thing. And then as we get to here, there's not much more to take off from the perimeter, but I'm sure there will be on the back because the back is much, much longer. And then what that's going to give us, you can see how it's falling. It's giving us that shape all around the face like that, and just tapers out really, really nicely.
Okay, one side down, other side to go. Actually, I'm not really cutting off that much. Now, he did say to go through and chop through there. But I have this feeling that I don't need to. Okay, let's do this side then. And I've been getting everything from the back, right?
All through there. What I want to do is just to soften off maybe a little bit more so we can see. Look at all of that shape. Just go up into there, deep point cutting, just to soften. And then we can get this side.
Okay, he suggested to go here and make slices in there. But I think my feathering is okay there. The problem is when I make slices into my hair, when I wear my hair curly, the long pieces sometimes stick out and then the short pieces. So even though I'm cutting it for a straight look now, I do have to take consideration when I wear my hair textured. So we're gonna leave it for now. I think I got it pretty good. What do you think, honey? Little piece of long hair, what's he doing there? Should I cut it off? All right, now we need to leave a little bit from the front so we have a guide for the back. So Christian's gonna help me. Okay, now this is gonna go to the back. Okay, here comes the hard part and why I need Christian. It's because we're gonna be using these front guides to cut the back. And we're gonna start with the middle point, about to here. And pull this up. And can you see the front guide? Okay. I'm trying to think of the best way to hold this with my finger. And in the other direction. Okay, and you're supposed to just put a little bit of a 45-degree angle, and then I'm feeling that the back of my hair is shorter. Is that really the guide, what we cut? Right there, okay, I see it.
And you'll see my guide, which is just there, and that's from the front. What we're going to do, slightly just angle our fingers, and there's our layer. And then again, working straight down. Let's pull all this hair up. Whatever doesn't reach, don't worry, because we can nip that off at the end. But there we go. And then just on the perimeter.
All right, that's starting to look good. Look how that's falling there. I need a massage after this. Take some wine. Okay, now let's work down this side. Actually, in the end, I really didn't cut a lot off, did I? Okay, now my sexy assistant is going to go across the back and even it out.
And then let's just neaten that up through there.
Let's do a Paul Watts shake. Okay, it's shaping up, you guys. I think I'm just gonna go and re-blow dry it out. My winged butterfly, hit it maybe with a little bit of the flat iron to give it a flip. And we'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. What do you think? Looking at myself here. You guys, I am feeling this haircut and this hairstyle. I want to put on a red bikini and run around like Farrah Fawcett. So let me turn around so you can see. All I did is go a little bit of flip with the blow dryer and with the flat iron. It's just light layers. It gives it something so much fresher. It's away from my face. I love it. I love it with my new hair color. And yeah, I noticed I didn't have to cut off a lot. I had a layered haircut done from my hairdresser in December, and I think it just grew out similar to this butterfly cut. And I'm glad I chose this cut because I wanted to keep my length, but I wanted to freshen it up. I knew there was a couple of dead ends in here, and pulling everything up, I kept the length, but I got those little dead ends off. And also from the back, you guys, my hair is super soft, super fresh, super fluffy, and yeah, I'm loving it. Thank you, Mr. Paul Watts, and I'm glad that I decided to do this haircut. You guys, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know when my next videos are uploaded, because there are a lot to come. And as always, yours truly, Art Making. Bye.